Okay, so let's say you have your form ready and you want to publish it. Just go right here to the top right, click publish, and then go. If you want to restrict access, you can do so here. Uh, by the way, this editor view just gives them edit access, so you probably don't want that. You want it to be restricted. But responder view is, I assume you want it to be anyone with a link, so we'll just leave it like this. Go done and click publish, and that's it. Now if you click on it, copy responder link, copy this, you give this to anyone, they'll be able to open the link and complete the submission. If you want to unpublish it, just click on the three dots and click on publish form and confirm, and that's it. Also, you can disable responses, like you can pause responses by toggling this if you don't want people to send any more submissions through your form. But yeah, that's how you do it.